我的妈妈以前老说，你一个东西干不好没关系，因为天不会塌下来。She says, I don't know if that's a quote, but that's my mom's quote. But she says that if you ever fail anything, it is okay to fail because the sky will not fall. So I like that. I think that's her way of encouraging me to try things out. 我妈妈说这样的东西很有意思。她老说，How do you say quotes? Quotes 普通话怎么说？Shit, there's so many quotes. 大家写的都不格一样。Let's see. 名言。There's a lot. I guess there's a lot of ways to say it. 但我妈妈说这样的东西很有意思。她老说这样奇怪的，像人生不是，她说她有一个说的也很有意思是，活一天算一天。但是我的妈妈很有意思，她老说活一天算一天 ，which means you live a day and it counts as a day. So I mean it like if you translate it, it's not as catchy, but in Mandarin it's very catchy because it's kind of rhymes, you know. So 她每次都说活一天算一天 ，almost like she's trying to like survive something， 但是她很奇怪。还有什么？还有她说，她说的我有的时候会进去一个耳朵，然后出来一个耳朵。You know, I don't really listen。她说好多。我的爸爸会说，我的爸爸不说这样的东西，他I don't know. I don't know. I can't remember.